In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI agent that converts English to SQL and queries your database automatically. By the end, you'll have a simple workflow where you type a plain English question, it's turned into a safe SQL query, your database is queried, and results come back to you automatically. No manual SQL required. Start by opening n8n and creating a new workflow. Add a manual trigger so you can test as you build. This gives you a quick way to run the flow without needing any external events. Next, connect your database. Click the plus button and add a database node. Use MySQL, PostgreSQL, or any other database supported by n8n. Create new credentials and enter your host, database name, username, and password. Use the test option to confirm the connection works, then save it. A quick tip here. Use a read-only database user in this workflow so your AI-generated queries can't modify data. Also, make sure n8n has network access to the database and that your firewall or VPN settings allow the connection. Now, add the AI agent. Click plus, choose AI agent, and pick your model provider, OpenAI, Allama, or another supported option you prefer. In the system prompt, write exactly, "You are a SQL expert. Convert user questions into safe and optimized SQL queries." Only return the SQL query. Save the node. This prompt keeps the agent focused and prevents extra commentary that might break the query. If your database has specific schema or table names, consider including that context in the user message when you test, so the model can reference the right fields. With the AI agent in place, pass its output to the database node. Open the database node and set the query field to an expression that points to the AI agent's output. From now on, whenever you ask a question, the agent will generate the SQL dynamically, and the database node will execute it. Add a response node to surface the results. You can use Respond to Webhook if this will power an API endpoint, or a set node to format and pass the results further down your workflow. Either way, the output should be the query results. Time to test. Click Execute Workflow. Ask something like, "Show me total sales for this month." The AI creates the SQL, the database runs it, and you'll see the results instantly. If you get an error, check table names and column names, or slightly rephrase the question with more context. You've just built an AI SQL agent that translates English into SQL, runs real database queries, and automates reporting. No manual SQL needed.